Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the knife series playlist. Check out what I have here. These are the knives that Walmart sells for really cheap. Ozark Trail brand name. And these are just a few of the styles that they have. And they sell these for $4.97 each. Do I think these are good knives? No, I don't think these are good knives. Do I think these are decent knives? I don't know yet. Do I think these knives will do in a pinch if there's nothing else around? Yeah, I do. I think they're good enough for that. So, here's an example. They're all basically the same knife, just with a different design on them. So here's this one. Quick look at that. And we'll open up this black one right here. So, basically the same knife. I'm sure it's the same steel. Probably come out of the same factory. So, this one has a slight recurve in it. This one's pretty much rounded. What's this one look like? There we go. Pretty much like this one. And what's this one look like? There we go. I'm not going to open up all these. We're just going to randomly pick one out. So I'm going to fold these up, put them away, and we're just going to talk about one of these. This one, I'm going to start with this one. You can see it has a hollow ground right here. Has a little hole right here for you can flip it open. Here, there you go. Flip it open with that. Now these other ones have like a little thumb stud. You can flip them open with a thumb stud. But this one doesn't have the thumb stud, so there you go. Let's see, it has 1, 2, 3 bolts holding it together, 3 screws holding it together. The belt clip or pocket clip right here, pretty strong. 3 screws in that. So when you put it in your pocket, it is going to be point down. Or when you open it up, it's going to be point up. So, here's a closer look down the center right here. Almost, let me get these out of the way. So we're looking there, it's almost centered. Let me get one of these other ones. Maybe see it a little bit better. Almost centered like it should be. Pretty lightweight. Comfortable enough to use on some light duty whittling, cutting some ropes, stuff like that. Like I said earlier, these aren't going to be the best knives around. But for $4.97, what can you expect? See that little clip on there? There we go. Now the grind on here, wider on this end, smaller on this end. Just that way. Now on this side it's wider right here than it is here and here. So look this way, the actual grind goes across here. So it does not match up. Just go ahead and put a little measurement on there. starting at the 1 inch. From the black part to the tip is 9/16 approximately, and on this side is going to be 7/16. So there's a big difference on that. But like I keep saying, $5. I should go ahead and take this apart, but I'm not going to right now. Let's get a piece of paper here. See how this thing cuts. There we go. Got one right here. Just a regular sheet of paper out of the spiral notebook. Yeah, I'm not expecting a whole lot, but, and I'm pretty sure that all of these are going to cut close to the same consistency. So, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Plastic. Let me get one of these right here. This one says Stag Finish Clip Knife, and whatever this says right here, I'm not sure. Here we go, right here on the bottom. 2018 Walmart, Ozark Trails, a trademark of Walmart, all rights reserved. Here is the barcode, if you want to pause and scan that. 3-inch stainless steel blade, 4-inch Stag Finish handle, pocket clip. They do come with a little tip guard on here, right here. That one is plastic for sure. Now, I'm not going to resharpen this right now. Right behind me I have approximately 100 knives. I need to do a little bit of cosmetic work on them and put a little edge on them. So I'm going to wait and put an edge on this one when I work on the other ones and give you a catch up on that later when I work on the other ones. So, not bad. You might want to pick one of these up, keep it in your toolbox, keep it in your glove box of your car, keep it in your desk at work. If you lose it, not a big deal. Give these to gifts for younger generation for doing something good. I don't know. You got a neighbor's kid that got his whittling merit badge, or Cub Scout got a carving merit badge, or you need make a little gift for somebody for whatever reason. These wouldn't be too bad. Maybe you can keep one in your sewing kit. Anyway, my name is Carl. I do appreciate you spending your time with us today.